different. Okay, so web fundamentals, coming to host, coming to the domain, coming to the server, and web application or website or website. Let me tell you, this is a website. Okay, or mobile application or mobile app. Mobile application or mobile app. Okay. So end of the day, we are doing digital marketing for the websites and mobile apps, right? So for the websites, we are talking about even web application, mobile application, both are same. Both are same. Both are going to be hosting into the same server. Both are going to be hosting with the same domain. I will tell you one thing. I will tell you one thing. I will tell you the architecture, how the architecture will be. So let me clearly tell you the architecture. Okay, for example, this is the website. For example, this is the website. Okay, this is the desktop and this is the mobile phone. This is the desktop, this is the mobile phone. For the desktop, you will be having the browser here. You will be having the browser here. So this is the browser. This is the browser. This is the browser. Let's just wait. Okay, this is the browser. Okay, for example, there is a browser, there is an application called www.xyz.com. www.xyz.com. www.xyz.com is something like EQIUIPING. This is something like your Aadhaar ID. This is something like your Aadhaar ID. This is something like a SIM card. So both SIM cards are not same. Both Aadhaar cards are not same. At the same time, both domain names are not same. Both SIM cards are not same. Both Aadhaar IDs are not same. At the same time, both the domain names are not same. For example, I am running a business. I have xyz.com. Some other guy is going to be starting a business. He cannot go with the xyz.com. He cannot go with the xyz.com. He can go with some abc.com. He can go with some different names. Okay. So here we have different persons joined in the class. Okay. Let me tell you. Daivashala. So Daivashala is having www.dive.com or daivashala.com. Okay, so Daivashala is going to be starting a business and Daivashala is going to be having a website called daivashala.com. So where you can purchase these domain names, all these things we need to understand. So as the digital marketing person, for the business owner, you have to purchase the domain and you need to purchase the server also and you need to purchase the host also. So first of all, you are purchasing the domain name is INYOUR. Whatever the domain name is available, that domain name is INYOUR. Whatever the domain name is available, that domain name is INYOUR. Okay. So there is a person called www.sri.com. Some other person. And there is a person www.srini.com. Something like this. So three different persons are going to be starting the business. Three different persons are going to be having the domain names different. Okay, the domain name is not same for the different users. The domain name is not same for the different users or different marketers or persons or business owners. Am I getting clear? The domain name, whatever we are going to be purchasing for the website, that domain name is INYOUR. That domain name is INYOUR, like Aadhaar card, like SIM card, like a SIM number, whatever it may be. Getting my point, guys? Getting my point, guys? Please reply me in the chat box. My voice is clear or not? Yes. Okay. So here, where you can purchase these domain names. For example, I want to tell you where these domain names we can able to purchase. These domain names you can able to purchase with the different domain persons like GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the person. GoDaddy is the person. He can able to give the domain names. Okay, you can go with the domain names here. You can purchase the domain names. And this is the domain name where you can able to purchase. For example, I want to purchase a domain name like Sri.com. Okay, www.sri.com. I am searching for the Sri.com here. When I am searching for the Sri.com, it is available or not. So Sri.com.in. Sri.com.in is available. Sri.com.co.in is available. Sri.com.co is available. SriComputers.com is available. But what my requirement is? My requirement is different. My requirement is I am actually talking about Sri.com. I am actually asking Sri.com. But Sri.com is finding or not? Sri.com is finding here or not? Sri.com is finding or not? Anybody tell me? If I am trying to asking Sri.com is actually taken by someone. Sri.com already taken by someone. If you want to go, you can pay for him 10,000 rupees. If you want to purchase the particular domain, you need to pay for this guy. This guy already purchased it. If you want to go for the Sri.com, you can go for purchase. Otherwise, you can go for this one. Sri.com, Sri.online.in, Sri.net.in, Sri.vote, Sri.shop, Sri.vip, Sri.esq, Sri.global. See, what is this com is actually? What is this com? What is this .in? What is this .us? Different websites, different domains having .com, .in, .us, .uk, .pak. So you tell me guys, what is this? What is this .com? What is this .in? What is this .us? What is this .uk? What is this .pak? Anybody? What is this actually? What is this .com? What is this .in? What is this .us? What is this .uk? What is this .pak? Anybody? Give me answer, Devashalasri. Any guess? Any guess?
No idea, sir.
You can ping me in the chat box, Devashal. Any guess?
Okay, sir.
Any guess about the .in? .in is India region. Your website is actually popular for the India region. Your website is going to be popular for the India region. .com is this. Your website is going to be popular for the world region, throughout the world region. Or your website is popular for the US region, United States. Okay, so there are different dot names are there. Na? The dot names are basically available for different regions. .com is worldwide. .in is India region. .us is United States. .uk is United Kingdom. .pak is something like a Pakistan related website. For example, if you want to start your business, if you want to sell your product only for the India region, so you are starting a business or some customer, your customer is going to be starting a business and you have to recommend for them which is the best domain you can take for. That particular guy want to sell the items, only for the India region. Better you can suggest him take .in. Why? Because that particular retailer, that particular business owner can get the more and more users or popularity. More and more users or popularity in the India region. Okay, for example, your website you want to popular throughout the world. Then better you can suggest them go for the .com. Or you are going to be building a website. That website need to popular for the only US region. Better you can suggest them .us, United States. Getting my point? This is very clear. For example, you can see there are two kind of websites I will show now. One is Amazon.in. What is this Amazon.in is actually? Amazon is common. Amazon is the company. They purchased multiple domain names. Amazon.in is the website which is popular for the India region only. India customers, only Indians can use Amazon.in. Okay, the same Amazon is going to be available for the Amazon.us also. I will show. Amazon US. Okay, sir. Open Amazon.com. Amazon.com. Okay, if I open Amazon.com, Amazon.com products are different. Amazon.in products are different. Amazon.com products are different. Amazon.in products are different. Maybe the website, maybe the internet is slow. Please wait for a few minutes. This is Amazon.in, India region products or India regional products. And this is Amazon.com. Amazon.com products. Can you see Amazon.com products? Amazon.com products. What kind of products it are? What kind of products these are? These products, any Indian traditional dresses are there here? Any Indian traditional dresses are there here? This is also shop. This is also Amazon shop. And this is also Amazon shop. But this domain is Amazon.in. This domain is Amazon.com. Here you can see the products. These products are completely different regions. Different English region. So when you go with the .com, the products are completely different. And the prices, for example, if I open some product, if I open this product, can you see what is actually happening here? Dollars. It is actually showing dollars. It is actually showing dollars. $12. $12, right? But if you purchase some product in Amazon.com, for example, if I want to purchase this product in Amazon.com, you can see rupees here. You can see rupees here. So it means this is the one domain and this is the another domain. But the retailer is Amazon retailer, but Amazon retailer have multiple domains purchased. Multiple domains purchased. He want to sell product the complete worldwide. He can go with the .com, and he want to go with the class. 4 members. Present 3. Okay, so getting my point? Yes. So in that way, you need to take the domain. Let me clear the things. So whenever you purchase a domain, so domain need to host somewhere. Domain need to host somewhere. Host is something like a server. Host is something like server. Domain need to host in some server. Domain need to host some server. For example, the same scenario I'm telling here. Whenever you have the SIM card need to insert in a mobile or not? SIM card need to insert in mobile or not? Without inserting SIM card in the mobile, can you use the SIM? Without inserting your SIM card into the mobile, can you use the SIM? You have the SIM card. You purchased one SIM card. Okay. You purchased one SIM card means you purchased one domain. Whenever you purchased a domain without inserting this SIM card into the mobile, can you use this SIM card? Can you use this SIM card? We cannot able to use. We cannot able to use. In the same way, here, whatever the domain you purchased here, this domain need to host in some server. This domain need to host in some server. Server is something like a storage. Server is something like a storage. Server is something like storage. Okay, your domain need to store somewhere. Your domain need to store somewhere. Without storing your domain, you cannot able to utilize it. Getting my point, guys? Getting my point, guys? Yes. There's some. So in the same way, so first of all, you try to understand what are the concepts here we are trying to understand in host. What is the host? What is the domain? Domain is something like a unique name. Domain is something like unique name. Unique name. Okay, something like www.xyz.com or www.xyz.in. Okay, or www.xyz.us or www. Sorry, www.xyz.uk. So like this, your domain is unique. But your domain need to store somewhere. Your domain need to host somewhere. Host is something like a deployment. Host is something like a deployment. So without deployment, your host will not work out. Your domain need to host somewhere. Your domain need to store somewhere. Otherwise, I cannot able to insert my products into that. So our www.xyz.com need to host in server. Host is something like a area. Host is something like a big area, a server area. In the server, definitely I need to host my domain. Okay, server is something like a storage area. Can you call like a storage area? Server is something like a storage area. So there are multiple things. You can go something like bluehost.com. You can go something like a bluehost.com. I will show one area where you can host your servers. Bluehost.com. So where you can able to purchase the area, storage area. Here I can able to purchase my storage area, web hosting. Web hosting, my website need to host here. Web hosting. So web hosting, click on web hosting. And here builds different plans they are going to be providing. Some basic plan is something like $2.95 per month. $2.95 per month. So without purchasing the area, you cannot able to deploy your domain. Whatever the domain you taken or purchased, that domain you need to host somewhere. Without host your domain, you cannot able to use it. So with taking $2.95 per month, so how many websites you can able to host? 10 websites you can able to host, and this much storage they are going to be providing, and this number of visitors they are providing. Ideal for 40K visitors per month. Okay, so can you see there are multiple options they are providing when you go for the plan. So here I need to host my website. Definitely I need to host my website. Otherwise, web domain whatever we have, web domain whatever we taken, that web domain I need to host somewhere. So there is a bluehost.com. Bluehost. You can search it. Bluehost.com is the server area where you can able to purchase your domain. Bluehost.com. Bluehost.com is there. Okay, domains, best website you can go for GoDaddy. GoDaddy. Okay, best website you can go for GoDaddy. Search for GoDaddy, what GoDaddy provides. Search for servers where you can able to deploy your website. That is the bluehost.com. This is the best area we can able to host your website. Getting my point, guys? So till now, any questions are there? Till now, any questions are there? Okay, fine. So let me continue the things. So end of the day, whenever you have the domain, whenever you have the something like host, okay. So whenever you have some host, how many number of domains I can able to host? How many domains? How many domains I can able to host? I can able to host. Okay, give me the answer. If I'm going with some host, whatever the host is, suppose I am going with the bluehost.com. If I'm going with the host, that is something like a cloud. So whenever you are going for some cloud, so how many websites I can able to host there? How many websites I can able to host there? Okay, so you can able to host n number, n number of, n number of, n number of domains you can able to host. N number of domains you can able to host based on your purchasing area, based on the purchasing limits. If you are purchasing the smaller thing, you can able to host only 10 websites. You are purchasing the bigger thing, you are going to be host a n number of things. So in that way, we try to understand what is the domain, what is the host, what is the server, and what is the web application, all those things. And slowly we try to understand web designing part. Web designing part. Web designing. So web designing, for web designing, basically we are trying to using, for web designing, basically we are trying to using HTML, CSS, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the three things we have to learn to write the code to prepare the website. To prepare the website like a template. To prepare the website like a template. For example, let me go with the Amazon.in here. Suppose I want to build Amazon.in like this. Whenever I want to build my Amazon.in like this, my Amazon.in need to have something. Your SIM card have a lot of contacts, right? In that way, Amazon.in need to have different categories of products like this. Different kind of categories of products like this. You need to show the products. If you want to show the products, definitely you have to go with the HTML. HTML is just basically a display purpose, design purpose, design web pages. HTML is basically using for design web pages. Yes, I want to design my web pages. Without designing my web pages, I cannot able to host any kind of thing. First, design is very, very important for any kind of website. Design is very, very important for any kind of web page. After designing, I want to change the colors. I want to change the styles and all. Then definitely for decorations, we need to use decorations or styles. We need to use CSS. We need to use CSS. For decorations or styles, we need to use CSS. Okay, for example, functioning part, nothing but whenever I want to click a button, whenever I want to search in the search box. For that is something like a web functioning part. Web functioning part. Web functioning part is JavaScript. Web functioning part. Web functioning part. Web functioning part is going to be working through the JavaScript. Okay. So some people are actually building their own web pages. Different kind of people are building their own web pages, their own HTML, their own CSS, their own JavaScript. Okay, writing. People are writing HTML, people are writing CSS, people are writing the JavaScript to build the web page or web application. Okay. But instead of writing all these things, you can purchase these things. You can purchase these things. You can purchase these things or you can take free of cost with different kind of providers. Different kind of providers. Let me go some sample web page. I will show some sample web page like this. Here we will be having WordPress. Let me go to the WordPress here. You can go WordPress here. WordPress is the best website where you can able to prepare your own website with your own design, own theme. Let me go with the WordPress here. Or Wix.com. WordPress is the best thing. So better you can go with the WordPress. Okay. What we can do with the WordPress? What we can do with the WordPress? In the WordPress, you can able to take different kind of templates. Different kind of templates. For example, I can go explore the themes here. Whatever the theme you want, you can able to open the theme. Okay, so let me go with the different kind of themes. Okay, my requirement is related to the real estate, or my requirement is related to the health and wellness, or my requirement is something like a newsletter, or my requirement is something like a store, or my requirement is something like a business, or my requirement is something like a blog. So what kind of website you want to go for? More. When you click on the more, you will be having multiple things. Let me go with the restaurant here. If I'm clicking the restaurant related themes will come. Restaurant related themes are going to be coming here. Can you see n number of themes are available? When you purchase the theme, you no need to develop the source code. When you purchase the theme, you no need to write the HTML, you no need to write the CSS, you no need to write the JavaScript. Directly you can able to utilize the template from this. Directly you can able to utilize the template from this. For example, let me open the first one. Okay, the first one. Click on this first one. A demo. They are providing a demo site. When I click on the demo site here, so that demo site is going to be looking like this. Okay, whenever you are purchasing this one, okay, these names can be changed. For example, this is something like ABC, and their own related categories they can able to show here, and they can able to provide their own text here. They can able to provide their own image here. First of all, we are purchasing the theme, and we can able to edit the theme. After purchasing the theme, we can able to edit the theme. By editing, you can able to provide your own categories, your own products, your own text. Your own categories, your own products, you got your own text here, and your own images also. Images, text, and button names, and phone numbers, and Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be. When you are going with this theme is like this. This theme is the black color theme. Whenever you are going with this theme is only like this, and you can able to sell your food online, or you can go with different kind of websites. For example, I can go with the, let me go with the free hosting, this one, okay, not this. So here plans and pricings are there. You can purchase it. You can choose your own plan, whatever the plan you want to go for. First of all, you need to register here. After the registration, you will be having the login and all, and host the site, explore the things. When you click on the start creating, it is asking me the login. So I don't want to start the theme right now. I will go with the existing themes here. So let me go with the existing theme, explore the themes here again. And I'll go with the real estate theme. When I go with the real estate theme, there are multiple real estate related themes are going to be coming to you. And you can choose any one of the theme from this. For example, if I'm going to be choosing this theme is like this. And if you want to show the demo site, you can go with the demo site like this. Okay, the demo site should be like this. Okay. Here, you can able to show the thumbnails of the particular different flats. And here small images, and you can able to go with the about your company, about your real estate company, about your services. You can show the services over there, and you can show the blog here. You can show the blog related content, whatever the content you want. You can show here blog, whatever the content you want. You can able to edit in the contact here. See, the today topic is completely about the web related. What is the web? What is the domain? What is the host? We are trying to discussing. We are trying to understanding. Getting my points here? We are trying to understanding what is the host, what is the domain, what is the server, and what is this GoDaddy, what is this Bluehost, what is this WordPress. All these things we are trying to understanding here. Is my network is slow? Okay, let me close this. Okay. If you want to see this one in the mobile demo site, how this is going to be showing in the mobile. Suppose for example, some people are going to be open the same website in the tablet mode. Some people want to open the same website in the phone mode. So the same website which is actually showing in the phone like this. The same website which is actually showing in the mobile like this. Can you see this one? The same website which is going to be shown in the mobile like this. See, all this responsiveness they are providing. Whatever the device you are going to be using, the device is your wish. The device is the kind of desktop. The device is the kind of tablet. The device is the kind of mobile. That is your wish. But they are providing the source code for the theme with free of cost. Some websites, some dummy websites, they are going to be giving free. Some of the beautiful websites, beautiful themes, they are charging the money. Okay, based on the customer, we can go for the purchase also. We can go for the purchase also. So whenever you are dealing with the company, whenever you are dealing with the customer for the digital marketing, you recommend them definitely purchase a domain, definitely purchase a host, definitely purchase a theme also. Without having the domain, without having the host, without having this WordPress theme, they cannot able to build the things. Okay, later they can able to integrate the payment gateway, all those things in the website, and later they can able to upload the products what they are going to be having. That is the next process. First of all, the process should be, first of all, the building plan should be your area. You have to recommend them. This is your building plan. After giving the building plan, they want to go with their own decorations in the particular building. Getting my point, guys? So in this way, you try to understand how the things are going to be happening. Like, what is the host? So we are discussing fundamentals, web fundamentals today. What is the host? What is the domain? What is the server? What is the web application? What is the web application technical skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. And we are discussing one thing like web application themes also. Web application themes, where you can purchase the themes. Web application themes. Already themes are building. Already themes was built. And this is something like custom code. You have to write some custom code here for them. Custom code, whenever you want to write the custom code, you can implement your custom code using with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But if you don't have the time to implement the custom code and all, you can go for the themes. But themes, WordPress is the best one. WordPress is the best one. You can go with the WordPress.com. From the WordPress.com, you can purchase the theme and you can build the website. Getting my points, guys? So, first of all, you have to recommend for the customer. What are the things you need to recommend for the customer? What are the things you need to recommend for the customer to purchase, to start the business? If they want to start a business, what are the recommending things you need to give as a digital marketing person? What are the things you need to tell him? Reply me. Okay, fine. So, right. So the one is a host, the one is a domain, the one is the application theme. These are the three things you have to recommend them. So that's for today's session. We will